You've come to me to figure out why in the world your dog is fake sneezing at you. Let's hop right in. Dogs are creative beings. They're observant and resourceful. They also utilize various means to communicate with their humans. A fake sneeze just so happens to be one of those very means. Let's dive a bit deeper into what it actually means when your dog purposefully sneezes at you on a regular basis. I'm actually a master at the old fake a sneeze. My humans call me out on it all the time, but it still gets their attention, so I'm going to keep doing it. Your dog will fake sneeze at you when they're excited or when they need your attention. Dogs do this as a form of communication and desire for playtime and affection. Disclaimer! You will need to pay close attention to behavioral responses, whether the sneeze comes from their nose or lungs, and any other circumstances involved, as the sneezes could be a sign of allergies or other forms of discomfort. Reason number 1. Fake sneezing is a form of dog communication. Your dog has yet to master the mouth movement necessary to form human sound into recognizable words. Because of this, they are forced to get creative in communicating with you, and a fake sneeze is a product of that brilliance. Reason number 2. Fake sneezing is a way to get your attention. Now, you may be wondering, does my dog really fake sneeze at me because they need my attention? Yes, you clueless human you! A typical sneeze for attention comes during a form of excitement, almost as to say, hey, don't forget about me down here. Your dog has realized that this type of noise makes you notice them in that moment. If you're okay with them communicating with you in this manner, then be sure to acknowledge the fake sneeze. If you want to discourage the fake sneeze, then ignore your dog when they attempt to get your attention this way. Also, don't be a rude human. Ignoring your dog is rude. Reason number 3. Fake sneezing is a way to show excitement. Have you noticed your dog fake sneezing at you when you're getting their harness on and ready for a car ride or a walk through the neighborhood? Or do they fake sneeze at you when you're playing fetch with them in the house or wrestling around with them in the living room? This is your dog's way of letting you know they're having a freaking blast. It's best, in my humble dog opinion, to let them keep sneezing at you. Heck, think of it as Jeremy high five in dog terms. Here's the kicker though, humans. You need to learn to differentiate between a real sneeze and a fake sneeze. Matter of fact, I've written in detail breakdown of dog sneezes 101 and what to listen for. All you need to do is go here, canmydog.com/sneeze101, and scroll down to the bottom of the page. I think you'll find what you're looking for there. In summation, your dog is not weird if they fake sneeze at you on a regular basis. Sneeze back if you want. And as always, you fine feathered humans, continue to live, love, laugh, and scratch our bellies often. Love you guys.